Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by measuring your ankle and calf while seated and relaxed. Use the brand chart to pick the correct size. Choose compression level 20-30 mm Hg for most daily support unless a clinician advises otherwise. Inspect the zipper and zipper guard for smooth movement and no damage. Sit in a chair with feet flat on the floor and legs uncrossed. Remove jewelry and ensure toenails are trimmed to avoid fabric snags. Begin by turning the sock inside out to the zipper base only. Insert your toes and then slide the heel into its pocket, aligning the seam with your heel. Smooth fabric over the foot and ankle before pulling the sock up to mid-calf. Stand if you can for final adjustment and to check fitting symmetry. Close the zipper slowly while keeping fabric flat to avoid pinching skin. Secure the zipper guard or snap once the zipper is fully closed. Wash your zipper compression socks on a gentle cycle and allow them to air dry. Avoid bleach, fabric softener, and high heat that can damage elastic fibers. If the zipper sticks, run a graphite pencil or a bar of soap along the teeth to lubricate the slider. Check regularly for holes, stretched fabric, or reduced compression. Replace socks when elasticity decreases or compression feels significantly reduced to maintain therapeutic benefit and proper.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.